What are you doing, Violet? What now? What now? What now, Super Baby?
I'm Super Baby. I am looking at your foot. I like your foot. I tried to grab your foot. Now I am looking away and looking at the ground. I am trying to look at you.
Nope, she is trying to move her body towards this green bottle.
She really loves the green bottle and wants to suck on it. That is the rule with babies. They have to suck on everything.